Hello everyone, my name is Stavros Ananiadis and I study police technology at Ohunsik College. Police technology is the field of study that you need to take to become a police officer or an investigator later on. But before becoming a police officer, I need to pass my English class. So today, I will show you a very good website to check your grammar after writing a message or an essay for school. So let's start by typing in the URL in the address bar. So you go to the address bar and type in virtual writing tutor.com, like that. Press enter and it brings you to this website right here. You can see that the website is called the Virtual Writing Tutor because in the top left corner of the screen there's the logo saying that it's the Virtual Writing Tutor. In the top right corner of the screen there are different icons that you can press to redirect you to different websites like Twitter and Facebook. At the top of the screen in the middle there's a navigation bar that lets you explore different stuff about the website, the terms, what it's about, to contact them, there's blog, there's different games also, which is pretty cool. So let's get to the point about the Virtual Writing Tutor. So, since I'm in police technology, let's write a sentence about that. I want to be a police officer. There you go. So here, there are different buttons that you can press, which is the word count, grammar, target structures, punctuation, essay, writing, check vocabulary, and clear your sentence. So if I press clear sentence, it clears my text completely. So let's rewrite it. I want to be a police officer. Period. What we're going to do today is check our grammar. So if I press check grammar, it gives you your error profile. So they counted 7 words, 1 paragraph, 1 error, and 15% error density. What I wrote was, I want to be a police officer. They give you feedback saying that we need to uppercase the I, the error type, which is a capitalization error, and they suggest to capitalize the I. So if we go back up, clear our text, and rewrite it, I want to be a police officer. So we corrected it by capitalizing the I. Check our grammar. 7 words, 1 paragraph, and 0 errors. If we press on the robot right here, which is pretty cool.
You are very good looking and intelligent. I really like you.
I love that robot. So let's go back up. Another cool thing about this website is it gives you examples. So there's example number 1, which is a paragraph. You can check the grammar. 179 words, 23 errors. If we clear it, check example number 2, which is an essay. Check the grammar. 328 words, wow. 24 errors. So this guy is going to have to correct a lot of his text. Poor him. Let's clear that. So, today I showed you the virtualwritingtutor.com. So if ever you need to write an essay or a paragraph for any English class at school, just copy paste it into the text space right here in the Virtual Writing Tutor. Check your grammar, check your punctuation, check the essay, check your writing, and that's how you get 100% at school, guys. Have a nice day.